We're here coming to you live from Pioneer Square, Seattle, Washington. Look around. There's downtown, Occidental Park, and our little Occidental Square to the left where our Cafe Umbri is. Now if you follow me this way, I will take you to a little gem in the city that most people don't know even exists, that have lived here their whole lives and they have no idea that this exists. And I just happened to stumble upon it one day. It was like a gift from God. Okay, come follow me. So first of all, can you see the side of it?
Yeah.
On the lighting here?
Uh-huh.
It says Waterfall Garden Park, created for the people of Seattle by the Annie E. Cassie Foundation in honor of all the men and women of the UPS, because this was the birthplace of UPS. So we walk in, and then voila!
Whoa.
It pumps 5,000 gallons of water. There's a very nice flowers. It smells very nice in here. Doesn't it, Charlie?
Yeah.
This is a nice place to come when you just want to sit back and relax and enjoy nature. The boulders come from the mountains in the Pacific Northwest somewhere. Then if you're lucky, you can have an apartment right up here and open your windows and hear the beautiful waterfall every day. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. It's
Well, thanks for
gorgeous.
visiting.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye for the waterfalls. Bye.
Bye.